Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna design a propeller. This video will really help you for your RC boat or RC submarine project. To learn more, stay with me and do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Let's create a new sketch. Select profile plane to draw a circle. Draw a circle of 30 mm diameter. Finish the sketch. Make a coil of 30 mm inner diameter. Edit the feature of the coil. Set the revolution 0.25. Height of coil 30 mm. Section position inner. Section size 2 mm. Create another coil of 150 mm. Create new sketch and project 3D geometry of the coils. Draw a line joining the projected points. Delete the projected coil section. Finish the sketch. Let's create a surface guided by coils projection lines. Select type path plus guide rails. Select profile from where surface is created. Select path. Select guide rail. Select extend to full extent. Pull arrow along with guide rail to make propeller blade. Create the extrude of 30 mm height using 30 mm circle. Let's create new sketch, selecting extrude circle. Draw a circle of 150 mm diameter. Draw lines along with the side of blade. Trim extra arc of the circle. Create fillet to make blade smoother. Create a circle of 150 mm diameter. Draw lines along with the blade side. Project the sketch to create extrude. Select face for extrusion. Pull the extrude towards the blade to smooth blades. Here we can see that thickness of the blade is 0. To thicken the blade, select to thicken tool and thicken the blade. The desired thickness, here we thicken the blade 2 mm. Here we can see that after thickening, the height of the blades increased, so we can extrude the circular part up to the height of the blades. To smooth out the edges of blades, we will create fillet. Select the edges of blade to smooth out. Select circular patterns to create other similar blades. Select feature type and select the blade. Do not forget any face to select. Select axis around which to create circular pattern. Let's remove extra material from where shaft will be attached. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, please write in the comment section. For more tutorials and entertaining videos, please like and subscribe to my channel.